Good morning. Today is Champions League, Conference League, and the rest of them football day. So let's get started. We have a total of 57 odds today, over and under market. Okay. We have games here between AC Ammonia taking on Favor, and my prediction is under 3.5 goals. The next one we have is a game in Kuwait where Al Kuwait is taking on Kwasa. My prediction here is over 1.5 goals. The next one we have is a game between CS Konivov taking on Astana. My prediction is under 3.5 goals. The next one we have here is again between Bote Prodiv taking on Monster. My prediction is under 3.5 goals. If you want to join VIP and win daily, my WhatsApp link is in the comment section. We've had back-to-back winning for the past 1 week. So be part of those people that are winning. Moving on, we have a game between Rijeka taking on IFF Bok, and my prediction is over 1.5 goals. The next one we have is a game between Partizan Belgrade taking on Lugano, over 1.5 goals. Al Aquaba taking on Ramta, my prediction is over 1.5 goals. The next one we have here is a game between Upwell taking on Upwell Nova. My prediction is under 3.5 goals. We have a game between Upwell Tel Aviv taking on Beni Yukuda. My prediction is under 3.5 goals. A game here between the Upwell and Rama taking on Maccabi Azila. My prediction is over 1.5 goals. Have a game between Upwell Afula taking on Upwell Akri. My prediction is over 1.5 goals. Next one we have here is a game between Olympia taking on Sheriff Terrace for a prediction is over 1.5 goals. We have a game in UEFA Conference League, a game between FC FK Alda taking on Rita. My prediction is under 3.5 goals. A game between FC Zurich taking on Victoria Gomares, and my prediction is over 1.5 goals. The last game here is a game between Kafri taking on FK Borak Banja. My prediction is over 1.5 goals. That gives us a total of 57 odds. This is the booking code for those people using Sportybet. If you are not using Sportybet, go ahead and select this game manually and play very responsibly. And I'll see you guys after the match. If you are interested in VIP, my WhatsApp link is in the comment section.